Alright, well, I said she would look significantly different when I was done with her today. And there she is. Fenders are off. Hood's off. Cowl is sliced at the roof here, and then I've got this little subframe that I hooked up. Hopefully it doesn't crumple on me and collapse. Here's the back section, also decapitated. From the body and completely all the way around. And then this little chunk here with the fenders, that should just lift off. It doesn't seem to have anything holding it anymore now that the wood's all gone. Just the weight of the roof being there, I guess, is holding that. But yeah. Check back in soon for the next phase of the 32 Buick. Buke, I'm calling it.